You did not only have this theoretical grounding due to your LPC, right, but also practical standing, because you said you did your LPC in 2017, 2018, and between now and then, between the SQE2 and graduation, you have been working. So do you think that your practical experience in the field contributed to your success in the SQE2? How did this component play in your preparation?
I would say professionalism. I couldn't say that, I've gone to court and represented my client during the time of me working, but even the ability to draft an email to a professional standard, I would say in that sense, yes, it helped. The area of law that I've practiced in is completely different from the areas that we've had during the exam, completely different. So I've worked in like data protection, for example, but it's just simple things like researching. So I do researching, or I did researching when I was a paralegal. So that helped in the exam, knowing how to research, knowing how to just draft an email, knowing how to communicate with clients. So things like that definitely helped.
Okay, so listening to you, I just come to understand that a candidate with a totally different background, without an LPC, without practical experience, will have to study very hard for the SQE2 in order to accumulate this knowledge and this experience, right?
It's an exam, so you have to study very hard. It's a hard exam, and that's just reality. It is very, very hard in terms of the expectation that's required. Not to say it's not doable, but you have to tackle it like it's a hard exam. So it means you have to revise both legal knowledge and practicing. So it's not something that is just because you've worked in a legal field, you automatically will pass the exam. You just have to revise, to test standard as well.
Even though some candidates sometimes do have this misconception that, it's just a matter of luck. And if you prepare more or less, then chances are that you will pass it.
So if you don't revise and you don't take it seriously, somebody else is, and that can cause you to fail, I would say. So when I was revising, I literally took it very, very seriously, even though, yes, I've been working as a paralegal and I did the LPC, I still revised and I took my mocks very seriously. For me, I personally would say take it seriously. I wouldn't say gamble it and because you're already in a profession.